Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope that you all will be fine. Today we are going to start our fifth lecture for mathematics playgroup. Students, open your workbook with me. And firstly, we will move towards planet. According to planet, we are going to start our week 5. So we have to put the dates here and write the days here in these blanks. Now, moving towards our topic. And the topic is concept of more. In previous lecture we have studied about concept of more. More means ज़्यादा. पिछले लेक्चर में हम more के बारे में पढ़ चुके हैं. अब अपने नए लेसन की जाने पड़ेंगे. Color the box of the group that has more objects. Now firstly we will count the objects and then we have to take the box which has more objects. Number 1, 2, 3. There are 3 balloons in this side and now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 balloons here. So 5 is greater than 3. So we have to take here in this box like this. Now count the ice creams. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 ice creams and now here 1, 2. There are 2 ice creams. So we have to take in this box it has 3 ice creams. It means it has more objects. Now count the lollipops. 1, 2, 3. And now here 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to take in this box because it has 4 lollipops. Now there is an activity. Take a foot ruler, some erasers, all must be same size and weight, sharpeners, etc. Now you can see a ruler here and some objects with different weights. You can observe the weight of more or less objects with the help of your parents. This activity you have to do it yourself at your homes. Now next topic is recognition of number 6. Who is missing? What you need? Group of 6 children. What to do? It is an activity you can do it in your homes, at your homes with the help of your sisters, brothers, or mother, father. You have to make a group of 6 people. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have to add one more who is hiding behind the tree. So you have to make a group of 6 people. Let's play a game for number 6. Divide the students into groups. Each group must have 6 students. Now blindfold one student and ask one student to go out of the room for a while. Open the blindfold and ask the student about the 6 students missing. After he guesses the name, call the student in and count with them the total number of students in the group. Basically this activity relates to brainstorming. आपने क्या करना है, 6 बच्चों का एक ग्रुप बना लिया और उसमें से एक बच्चे को ब्लाइंडफोल्ड पहना के क्लास से या कमरे से बाहर भेज दें और वापस जब वो आए तो उसे बोलें कि काउंट करें और देखें उनमें से कौन सा बच्चा मिसिंग है. ये ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग की एक्टिविटी है जो कि आपने बच्चों को घरों में करवानी है. Now how we are going to write 6? Look here. This is the number 6 and how we are going to write 6? The steps are mentioned with the number. We have to draw a curved line from this dot downwards and then we have to make a circle to make 6. Now we will practice 6 on these dots. Make a curve, bring the line downward and then make a circle to make 6. Once again make a curve, bring down the line and then draw a circle to make 6. Now make a practice with me. Draw a curved line like this and then make a circle in this box to make 6. Once again bring down the line and then draw a circle to make 6. Once again bring the line downwards and then make a circle to draw 6. Likewise, this you have to complete all the remaining work. And now we will move towards our next topic, which is recognition of 7. So, my dear students, help your teacher in arranging the books in the bookshelf and count them aloud. अब आप जैसे कि स्कूल में तो आप है नहीं, आप घर में भी अपनी बुक शेल्फ अरेंज कर सकते हैं, अपनी मदर की हेल्प कर सकते हैं। आपकी मम्मा आपके घर के सारे काम करती हैं, बुक शेल्फ भी अरेंज करती हैं। आप बुक शेल्फ को अरेंज करने में अपनी मम्मा का हाथ बटाएं और उसके बाद उन्हें अरेंज करें और बुक्स काउंट करें। लाइकवाइज दिस हमारे पास यहाँ पे जो बुक्स हैं हम उन्हें काउंट करेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. There are 7 books in this shelf. The easy way to count the objects is that you put your tip of your pencil or your finger on the object and then begin to count. Now, this is the number 7. And what is the writing pattern of number 7? Firstly, we have to draw a line forward and then downward. So, it will make 7. Did you enjoy organizing the shelf? क्या आपको शेल्फ ठीक करने में मजा आता है? Yes, आपने yes वाले कॉलम में टिक करना है, yes वाले बॉक्स में। Does a neat and clean clipboard looks good or a dirty and messy one? क्या एक साफ सुथरी अलमारी जो है वो अच्छी दिखती है या फिर गंदी और मैली सी दिखती है? So the answer is अच्छी दिखती है, नीट होती है, तो हमने फर्स्ट बॉक्स में टिक कर देना है। Now how we are going to write 7 on these dots? We have to draw a line forward and then downward. Once again, make a line forward and then downward. So it will become 7. We have to make 7. Now, make a practice with me how we are going to write 7. We will draw a line and then downwards like this. Make a straight line and then downwards like this. Make a straight line and then downward like this. One thing to remember that you have to draw a slanting line, not a straight line. The line of the 7 is a slanting line. Likewise, this you have to complete all the remaining work and your work must be neat and clean. So students, it was all about today's lecture. Inshallah, in next lecture we will learn about more numbers. Allah Hafiz. Fi Amanillah.